Hello class, how are you guys doing today? How was your guys' weekend? Good. Okay, so today is Monday and we're going to be working on a couple of multiplication problems. But it's no normal multiplication problem. You guys are actually going to help me figure out how much of an ingredient I'm going to need today. So today I was craving a pizza and I wanted to order it from Domino's or Little Caesars and go pick it up. But I know with this whole coronavirus thing, we have to try and stay home as much as possible. Remember, kids, stay home as much as possible. Only go out for important things. So I said, why not make the pizza here at home? And I wanted to figure out how many pieces of pepperoni I want on my pizza. So we're going to do a math problem with multiplication. We're going to go ahead and start off with 8 times 5. We're going to go ahead and draw out our pizza here. Here's our pizza. And a box of pizza usually comes with 8 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Correct? Now we're going to draw our slices here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These 8 represent here, so this is our slices. And the 5 represents the amount of pepperonis I want to put on each slice of pizza. Our 5 is our pepperonis. So now that we have our 8 slices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, we're going to go ahead and put 5 pepperonis on each slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lastly, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So would you guys agree that the 8 represents the slices and the 5 is the slices of pepperoni in each pizza? Okay, so now all we have to do is count the amount of pepperonis that are in there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So we now know that 8 times 5 equals 40. And that is how many pepperonis I'm going to need. For our second problem, we're going to go ahead and do 9 times 3. Now, after a slice of pizza, I want some cookies and milk. So, we're going to figure out that problem with cookies. So, if we have 9 times 3, we have 9 cookies, and we're going to put 3 chocolate chips on each cookie, because chocolate chips are my favorite on cookies. So, chocolate chips. So, we're going to go ahead and draw our 9 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And on each cookie, we're going to have 3 chocolate chips. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. So now that we have our 9 cookies and 3 chocolate chips on each cookie, we're going to go ahead and count the chocolate chips. I'm going to use a different marker so you guys won't get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So we would have 27 chocolate chips in total. We're going to go ahead and do one last problem. We are going to do 4 times 6. Can anybody tell me what we want to use? Ladybugs? Okay. So 4 ladybugs. And each ladybug has 6 legs. Okay. 6 legs. So what are we going to do first? Okay. We're going to do our 4 ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each ladybug is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Would you guys agree? 4 ladybugs. Each ladybug has 6 legs. So now what do? Right. We count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So 6 times 4, or 4 times 6, equals 24. Okay, now that we have done these problems, we're going to go ahead and try some on our own. Do you guys remember we set up Google Classroom a while back in class before this whole coronavirus thing? So we're going to go ahead and click on there, and I'm going to have a paper that's going to be in the front titled Multiplication with Pictures. And you guys are going to go ahead and solve those problems. For those of you whose last names are A through H, I want you to do 2 times 7. I want you to do 5 times 9. And I want you to do 4 times 4. And for those of you who have last names with the letter I through the letter Z, we're going to go ahead and do 5 times 8. We're going to go ahead and do 4 times 7 and 6 times 7. If you guys are having trouble, you guys can go ahead and stay on here and we can go over a couple more problems so you guys can catch up to the rest of the class who's already understood it. But other than that, if you guys are comfortable with it, you guys can go ahead and click out and work on your assignment and turn it in. Also, if you guys have any questions, the chat box on the right hand side on Google Classroom, type me a message and I'll be able to reply to you guys. Hello guys, so for the math problems that I did, you needed a marker, a whiteboard, or a big white piece of paper so you can write on, the laptop and Zoom so the students can be seeing when you're teaching them, and Google Classrooms, that's where I would be posting the actual practice problems that I wanted them to work on. The Common Core State Standard is the math.content.3.0.a.1, and the lesson objective was by the end of the lesson, the students should be able to properly find the product when 2 numbers are being multiplied with the help of visual drawings.